Hey guys, it's Mrs. LeMay and welcome back for our first real Phonics and More mini lesson. I'm super excited to be doing these with you. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is review the phonics skill. Okay, so number one is review the phonics skill. Our phonics skill this time is skill 10, which we've reviewed before. It's closed syllable words. So let's talk about what closed syllable words are. Well, the first thing we need to know is what our vowels are. A, E, I, O, U. A-E-I-O-U, sometimes Y. But we're not going to talk about Y during this skill, okay? So I'm just going to erase my little Y. A-E-I-O-U. Closed syllable words always have a short vowel sound. What are my short vowel sounds? A, I, and okay? Very important. So let's look at a real word. Sorry, I accidentally erased part of my M. Okay, this is a real word. And I know that you already know what it is, okay, but I'm just using this one to practice with, okay? So first thing we always do is find our vowels. We need to figure out how many syllables are in my word. There are two vowels. They're placed a little bit apart, okay? So I know that they make two different vowel sounds, so there are probably two syllables in my word. Okay, there's my vowels. Look at the two consonants in between, and we divide our word right between those two consonants almost every time, okay? Now, there is a consonant right after my vowel in this syllable, and there is a consonant right after my vowel in this syllable. That means that both of these are closed. They make a short vowel sound. A, mag, and e, net. Whole word magnet, magnet. Okay. Now that we've kind of reviewed the skill a little bit, let's get back to our lesson and show how we're going to apply that skill. Okay, so I have a sentence here. It says, he is blank in the mornings, but I am always nice and friendly. This is a word that you don't know, and you don't know it because it's a fake word. Okay, I do not want you to guess. Okay, the days of guessing are over because I'm teaching you all the skills you know so that you don't have to guess. Okay, so there's a fake word. We need to figure out what it says and what it means. So the first thing we need to do is get out our whiteboard marker and eraser. Go, pause the video if you need to. Okay, I want you to write this word on your board. C-H-U-B-N-I-P. This is our fake word that we don't know. He is always blank in the mornings, but I am always nice and friendly. Okay, so we got to figure out what this word even says. So first thing we're going to do is find the vowels, and we're going to mark them. A-E-I-O-U. Okay, there's my vowels. Two consonants in between, so that means we divide right between the two consonants. There are two syllables because there are two vowel sounds, 1, 2. Okay. There is a consonant right after this one, so it's closed. It makes the sound. There is a consonant right after this one, so it is closed. It makes the I sound. Chub, nip. Whole word chub-nip. Chub-nip. Okay, so our word is chub-nip. Now that we know how to pronounce it, let's see if we can figure out what the sentence means. Okay, so he is chub-nip in the mornings, but I am always nice and friendly. So the word but is a huge clue. Okay, but I am always nice and friendly. That makes it sound like being chub-nip is the opposite of nice and friendly. So on your board, I would like you to write a synonym for the word chubnip. What could chubnip mean? Just one word, okay? So I'm going to write mean. Sounds like he is not a morning person and he's mean, okay? You could write grouchy. You could write grumpy. All of those would work, okay? So we're not only figuring out how to say the word we don't know, we're also we're using our context clues to figure out what our word means. Okay? All right, let's move on. Our next part of the lesson is fluency practice. I'm going to move me over a little bit. Okay, I kind of catered to middle school language. I'm sure you'll think it's cringy. So I used a lot of bet and I used a lot of bro. Okay, I want you to pay special attention to the punctuation marks. Okay, I'm going to read it to you, then I'm going to have you read it to somebody else, and they're going to read it to you. Okay, bro, 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 bet bro, 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 bet, bro, bet, bro, bet. Okay, you're going to read it with expression. It doesn't have to be crazy expression. And please don't yell in the classroom. Okay, you're going to read it to somebody next to you. They're going to yell to you. Not yell. They're going to read it to you. Okay, pause the video. Okay, last thing that you're going to do is vocab. So our vocab word for this first 2 weeks is trans. Trans means across or beyond. I want you to do that with me. Okay, one more time. Trans means across and beyond. Okay, so there are 6 words here. I want you to read them to somebody next to you. They're going to read them to you. They say transport, transit, transparent, transform, transfer, and transact. You read it to somebody else, they're going to read it to you. Pause the video. All right, last thing is there are posters in your hallway to help you remember that our vocab root is trans, which means across and beyond. Across and beyond. Trans. Okay, I want you to look for trans in your textbooks. So in your ELA poems, in your social studies book, in your science labs, okay, whatever text you might have available to you while you're here at school, I want you to find trans. And if you do, I want you to send me a quick email, or you can tell me in the hallway, or you can write on a little piece of paper and put it in the little bucket right outside my door. Okay, but I want you to tell me what the word is and what it means. Okay, so if you don't know what the word means, read the clues around the word to help you figure out what it means. Okay, and then you'll be put in a drawing for a prize. Have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.